Listen to the question and answers and improve your English. Subscribe for more.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you?
I am good, and you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Lucky. What's your name?
My name is Rose.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Rose, where are you from?
I am from Japan. What about you?
I am from France.
Where do you live?
I live in America, and you?
I live in Tokyo.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old, and you?
I am 21 years old. What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I'm MBS doctor.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brothers. What about you?
I have 2 sisters.
Great. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to traveling.
What's your favorite food?
I love strawberry. What's your?
I really like pasta.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I like natural music.
Can you speak any other language?
Yes, I can speak Bhojpuri and English. What about you?
I can speak French and a little bit of Spanish. I like Arijit Singh. What about you?
I like Aishwarya.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing badminton. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I like play cricket. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook Italian foods.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy playing guitar and cycling.
What's your favorite game?
I like Free Fire.
What is your dreams job?
I want to be a scientist, and you?
I want to be a pilot.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like reading newspaper?
I like reading newspapers.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on June the 2nd. Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to the United States and Canada.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or visit friend.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Are you afraid of the dark?
No, I am not afraid of the dark.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to run in the park.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Is that a picture of me?
Yes, that is a picture of you.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is pineapple. What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberry.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
Do you enjoy cooking for other?
Yes, I like cooking for my family.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.
Where are you busy yesterday?
I was very busy yesterday.
When was you born?
I was born in 1991. What's your favorite flowers?
My favorite flowers is the rose.
What are you planning to do?
I am planning visit my friend.
Can we talk in private?
Yes, we can talk in private.
What's your favorite song type of weather?
I like sunny weather. What about you?
I enjoy rainy days.
Did you like the movie?
Yes, I enjoy the movie.
Do you like working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream. What's yours?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Who broke the vase?
My brothers broke the vase.
What do you do in Japan?
I teach English at a local school.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drink.
How long is that bridge?
This bridge is 3 kilometers.
What kind of meal did you eat?
I had a delicious pasta dish.
Do you like to wake up early or sleep in?
I like to wake up early. How about you?
I prefer to sleep in.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I like traveling by plane.
Where did you go on vacation?
I want to Italy.
Why are you late?
I got stuck in traffic. Do you like fast food? Sometimes I do. Where did you find the book?
I found it at the local library.
I love camping in the mountains.
What is your favorite day of the week?
I like Friday the most.
How do you feel today?
I am feeling much better. Thank you.
Do you like to read poems?
Yes, enjoy poetry.
Do you like to take pictures?
Yes, I love photography.
I also enjoy capturing moments with my camera.
How did you learn to cook?
I learned from my grandmother.
Do you like to go fishing?
Yes, I enjoy fishing with my family.
It was really nice talking to you, Rose.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Lucky.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at the mall.
Have a wonderful day.
You too, take care.
Where did you learn to play the guitar?
I took lessons when I was a kid.
Did you see the game last night?
Yes, it was really exciting.
Are you planning any trips soon?
Yes, I am going to Central Australia next month.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat. What's your favorite place in the world?
My favorite place in the world, Japan, Tokyo.
See you later, thank you.
Thank you, Rose. Bye bye.